pixies! Let's have fun guessing viral Italian brainrot animals with the help of emojis. Only less than 1% can get a perfect score. Smash like, subscribe, and let's get started! Let's start with some easy ones. Do you know this AI animal? Nailed it! It's Patapim.
Patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, nel bosco fitto e misterioso.
Which meme does these emojis remind you of? Spot on! It's Bicus Dicus Bombicus.
Bicus Dicus de Bicus de...
Guessing this one won't be hard. Exactly, it's Tung Tung Sahur.
Tung Tung Sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya...
What about this one? Any ideas? It's the weird Talpa di Ferro.
Talpa di ferro! In grado di scavare qualsiasi oggetto solido, in grado di scavare anche il...
Can you spot the emoji different from others? Wow, you have some sharp eyes! Can you guess the character based on emojis? Yes, it's the famous Tralalero Tralala.
Trallalero, tralala, tralalelo, ramadalila. Anomali.
Let's keep going. Do you know this one? Perfect! This is Cappuccino Assassino.
Cappuccino assassino! Assassino!
Guess the character with help of these two emojis. You got it! It's Frigo Camelo.
Frigo Camelo, buffo fardello, nel centro della città, tra macchine...
Name the character these emojis remind you of. It's everybody's favorite, Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Bombardiro Crocodilo, un fottuto alligatore volante che vola e bombarda.
Who do you think would win this matchup? Comment if you think Bombardiro Crocodilo, like for Tralalero Tralala, and if both are equal, then subscribe. Can you tell the name of this AI animal? It's Schimpanzini Bananini. Easy, right?
Schimpanzini Bananini, wah, Bananucci monkey.
Let's see if you can guess this one. Excellent! It is Trippi Troppi.
Trippi Troppi, troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano, tra tromboni.
Figure out the character from the emojis. Garamararam is the correct answer.
Garam mararam raraman mararaman dan madu dung 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 tak tuntung.
What weird character these emojis could be talking about? None other than the Boneca Ambalabu.
Boneca Ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan masyarakat.
Find differences before the timer hits 0. How many did you get? Any ideas which character is this one? Good job, it's Lirili, Larila.
Lirili, Larila. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là. Con la sua conchiglia e un...
This one might be tricky. Amazing work, it's Sahur.
Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius yang...
Which Italian Brainrot meme is this? The magical chef Crocodilo.
Money! Money!
Can you guess this buff character? You guessed it right, it's Udin Din Din Dun.
Udin Din 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 Dun, Madin Din Din Dun, merupakan sosok jeruk yang memiliki...
Locate the character that looks odd. Bullseye! There it is! These emojis describe which character? Fantastic! It's Bombardiro.
Yoyoy, Bobarito Bondito? El Bobrito Gangsterito, Bandit...
Can you name this one? Awesome! It's Bambini Crocini.
Bambini Crossini, Vesuvio Gondola, Amore Strada, Vespa Duomo Mercato Azzurro.
Do you know this Italian brainrot animal? The enigmatic Giraffa Celestre.
Giraffa celeste, viaggio agreste, dans la lune tutta dorata.
What character comes to mind from these emojis? Yeah, it's Orangatini Ananasini.
Orangutini Ananasini, Puppa Patapim Ananasuchi.
Guess who is singing?
Tung Tung Sahur, Tung Tung Sahur.
It's Tung Tung Sahur with a sweet voice.
Tung Tung Sahur, Tung Tung Sahur.
Name this weird hybrid character. La Vacca Saturno Saturnita. You are on a
La
roll.
vacca Saturno Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita, con il corpo...
Who could this be? It's the cool Frulli Frulla.
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Con antenne sopra...
Next character, do you know the name? That's right, it is Finino Bombondino.
Nino Bombondino, esta cerdita bomba asusta a todos con solo una mirada.
This character is pretty famous. Of course, it is Ballerina Cappuccina.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi 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 mi.
Do you know the full name of this character?
Trippa, Troppa, Tralala, Lirili, Tung Tung Sahur, Boneca.
I don't think anyone does, but you can prove me wrong by answering in the comments below. Which AI animal do you think is this? Yup, it's Bombini Gusini.
Bombombini Gusini, fratello Bombardiro Crocodilo, che svolge...
Keep rolling, name this one. Great job, it's Glorbo Frutodrillo.
Glorbo, frutto drillo. Nel profondo della palude.
Do you know which brain rot animal is this? It is the cute Blueberrini Octopusini.
Blueberrini, octopusini. Blup 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 octopusi.
Are you smart enough to figure out this character by emojis? Trick Track Baraboom, did you guess it right?
Trick track baraboom, il mio mantello fa rum rum. Nel cuore di un bosco stravagante.
Pay attention to emojis and name the character. Marvelous work! It is Burbaloni Luliloli.
Burbaloni Luliloli, capibarrello cocossini. È molto raro.
Find the odd one out. You spotted it perfectly! Can you name this weird mix? Correct! It is Tralalero Trollicina.
Trulimero trulicina. Il pritiletin in piscina.
Do you know what they call this soldier? And the answer is Rhino Dino Dildorino.
Dino Dildorino. Dino Dildorino. Dino Dildorino. Dino.
Figure out the name of this meme character. The Whining Pot Hotspot.
Hotspot, prot, hotspot.
Round 40. Name the character. Wow, you got it. It is Cocofanto Elefanto.
Cofanto elefanto. Elefantucci coconucci. Questo bambino.
Any clue which character is this? The Desert Wanderer, Il Cacto Hippopotamo.
Cacto ippopotamo. C'era una volta un cactus gigante con una testa di...
If you could save one character from the police, who would you pick? Tung Tung Sahur?
No.
Tralalero Tralala?
No.
Or Patapim?
La Polizia, no.
Share your answer in the comments. characters. What's the name of this AI animal? It is a bonus Schimpanzini.
Uzaktan avokado yemeyin. Tüm seller, uzaylının kudretli gücü karşısında...
Do these emojis remind you of any character? Yeah, it's Centralucci Nuclearucci.
Centralucci nuclearucci. Energia e energia.
Round 45. Guess the character. Wonderful job. It's Spijuniro Golubiro.
Spijuniro Golubiro. Golub kojeg šalje.
Subscribe if you had fun and continue to challenge yourself with more quizzes right here.